Hi guys, I have another swap reveal and this one is from Miss Christalyn, and Christalyn is such an amazing crafter. I can't wait to get my hands on this. She has a YouTube channel which I think is called Crafts by Christalyn, and that's also her Instagram I think, but I will put all of her info in the description bar. Oh my gosh, she made one for me. Oh boy, you guys. Wait. She used Garden Party. I can already tell. Oh my gosh, look. She made one for me. Yay. Okay, so the one that's for her swap partner looks exactly the same. So we're just gonna open this one. Look at the pink little mesh right here that I'm going to save, of course. Oh, she got me a bow notebook. It's so funny. I got one of these for Poochie because Poochie loves pink bows, but did I get one for myself? No, but now I have one. Oh my gosh, it's such a cute notebook. You guys, Christalyn is amazing. You need to go follow her like right now. Pause the video. Okay, pause. Click on her name in the title. Press subscribe and then, okay, resume. Everybody done? We're good? Okay, good. So anyway, Christalyn is such a talented crafter, and she's on a bunch of design teams, and she makes such pretty stuff. And look, she stitched. Okay, so she told me that I like encouraged her to like start sewing, and my girl has been stitching up a storm. But anyway, all right, so we have this notebook. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's Agenda 52. Thank you, girl. Okay, wait. Okay, of course she put this in here. So this is how she started, was with my paper plate tutorial. And then she started stitching. Let's open this first. You guys know we crinkle over here, okay? We do that over here. So you don't like crinkling, we do too much shopping here. In America, we use plastic for stuff, okay? It's the unfortunate reality. So to shop is to crinkle. I don't know what else to tell you. So she stitched on this Mary Mary plate, which is from Home Goods. Of course I know. And look at this. She put this beautiful shaker mix in here and stitched a pocket with acetate. Oh, girl, you did good, girl. You did so good. Proud of you. I love, every time I see her stitch, I just smile because I'm just like, she just started and she's just so amazing already. And okay. She also, these are one of my favorite things too. Oh, I love these so much. And these are Pink Fresh. So these are like, they're like little, I forgot what they're called. Wait, what are they called? Glitter drops. Yes, they're called glitter drops, but these are ombre glitter drops. So I think I might have these, I'm not sure, but like you can never have too many of these because honestly, this is one of the few things that I like go through and have to continually reorder because you put this on a few things, they come in different sizes, and next thing you know, you're out of like all the small ones, you're out of the big ones. I use these a lot, especially during Christmas time, and I love that. Thank you, girl. So this must be one of her favorite decorative crafting items. And then she made the cutest clipboard ever. And she loves sequin mixes. She loves making them. She loves using them. So that is what she included here. And I remember her saying that she loves to make sequin mixes. And I'm like, oh, there's something for everyone because I mean, I like making sequin mixes, but I don't love it. I just kind of do it as out of necessity, you know? And so then she made this little chipboard clipboard and she stitched around the paper and attached it. And then she made a cutesy little dangle, and it has all the cute Maggie Holmes things. It has a swan, it has a green bow, it has this little candy thing that says sweet, and then she wire up some beads, which look amazing. And she put that on here, which is such a cute way to present a sequin mix, right? Isn't this so cute? I love it. Let me go a little closer so you can see. So cute, girl. And then sticking it in here is just everything. So I love this so much. Thank you so much. And then she made a little, oh, I know this. So this is the Scrap Diva embellishment box. This is a great die. And this might be one of her favorite dies. And she did this. She's like 9 months pregnant, okay? And she did this swap. She might be having her baby today when this thing posts. So she'll be, you can watch the reveal when you're up feeding. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love how she stitched all the ephemera. Garden Party ephemera is very hard to find. I don't know if I have any Garden Party ephemera. I'm not even sure if I have even one packet, but I have a lot of paper, have the project pads, have the stickers, but I don't know if I have the ephemera. It's very difficult to find. I'm gonna have to print some. But anyway, so pretty here. She used chipboard. She layered it up. She has these two little like journaling pieces here. She has a puffy sticker. She stitched all around here. This is stunningly gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's funny because although like, you know, we follow each other and look at all each other's stuff, we have never like, I never had her stuff So it is so nice to like have it in my hands. And I'm so glad you made me one because this is beautiful. So when you open it up, so this die can do a couple of things. So you could either glue it back here like this, or like you can do like what she did, which is leave it open so that it can turn on each side. And it's such a nice way to like house a bunch of stuff. So she has a Twix in here. I love a Twix. This might be our first Twix of the whole swap. So I love that. My boys love Twix too. And then let me take these items out of here so that I can show you this box again. So cute. And this is Garden Party, a Maggie Holmes collection. I like Garden Party too. It's so pretty. This is a pretty sheet of paper. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so nice on the front. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to like reuse this. I obviously can't give it away. That's not an option, but I can. I can figure out how to use it. Okay, so she made, a pokey tool. Look at poke through the, you gotta be careful with these pokey tools. They're dangerous. I love this pokey tool. And I love using these kind. I know a lot of people, ow, okay, wait, let's do this. Hold on. Let me do this. This pokey tool is dangerous. Okay, here we go. So I know a lot of people use the pokey tools from Hobby Lobby, but I actually prefer these, which these are actually like large embroidery needles, because I don't find the pokey tools at Hobby Lobby to be sharp enough. And I need, in order to get that double-sided tape off, you need a sharp edge of your pokey tool. So I adore this. Thank you so much. I actually, crazy enough, need a pokey tool because after a while of using them, the beads sometimes start like wobbling and you know, you get gunk on here and then you clean it up, but then it just dulls kind of. So I love that I have another one of these because I've been using my Halloween one that Tony sent me. And this one is a spring one. So I'll have to use this in the spring. One of her decorative items was Winkastella. We have seen Winkastella. This seems to be a crafty favorite of many of our crafters in our community. So I love that. And then we have this is one of her crafty items, which this is colored foam tape. And even though I have pink, I don't have like a pastel pink. So this is really cute and I love this. Thank you so much. That is such a good crafty tool. And then guys, we have the crafted items here. So we have, so she used this, and this is a few dies in here. And this is so cute. I love these also. I love them, love them, love them. And I love how she stitched right here. So she put, she stitched the acetate to this so that she could stick this on her and it'd still be able to be easily removed. But this is, I think this is the Scrap Diva banner die, and it's on this jumbo paper clip. So it's a paper clip banner, and it is so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. She layered it up with chipboard from Garden Party and some ephemera. She stitched this, I think this might be, yeah, this is another piece of ephemera. There's some mesh under here. There's a rosette under here, like just so stinking pretty. This is literally stunningly gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And then she also made this. So this must be one of her favorite dies as well. And oh my goodness. This is filled with goodies. This is so cute. I have this die and I've never used it. It is adorable. She stitched all the way around it to keep it closed. Oh my gosh. Crystalline the link to this immediately, please. Immediately, expeditiously. One of the nights when you're up feeding the newborn and I like just to stay awake, I would sometimes be scrolling on my phone while feeding. So, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this. Okay, I love this. Seriously, and I've never seen it. I need this. Okay, need it. Whenever you have time. This says lovely, which this is so lovely. This is a puffy sticker from the collection. I need more Garden Party, I realize. I need ephemera, I need puffies, stickers, and I need chipboard. I basically only have paper for Garden Party. That won't do. That will not do. I'm gonna have to find a D-stash somewhere. If anybody's D-stashing Garden Party, write a comment or DM me on Instagram. So in order to open this though, you have to rip it. So I guess it'll be staying in here forever because I couldn't although I really want this. So I might actually open this up. So pretty. And then another one is this. This is so pretty. This is a little mason jar die. And look how pretty the paper is that she die cut here. That's like a glitter. And then there's also a foil and then one of these little gold dots. And it has sequins inside. And it has chipboard from the collection. And it says Wonderful You. And she stitched all around. Oh, girl, this is just so pretty. Oh, man, this is so pretty. You guys, you have to go and follow Christalyn. I mean, look at her Crafter's Choice items. Just so pretty, 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 pretty. I love Oh my gosh, I love everything. Christalyn, thank you so much for taking part in this swap. So many well wishes for you and a safe delivery. And you guys, make sure you leave Christalyn a comment at the bottom here and let her know how beautiful everything is. Make sure you go subscribe. And if you want to see more of this swap as well as some of the others, there will be in the description bar a link. The first link will be Christalyn's Instagram. The second item that's below that will be a full playlist of all of the swaps that we have done so far, as well as all of last year's in a playlist that you can click on one and it'll just play them all for you. So thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.